That sunshine is out for right now, but some big changes are in the forecast for the next couple of days. 44 degrees in College Station right now. That's already higher than it was yesterday at about the 5 o'clock hour. Winds out of the northeast at about 5 miles per hour, but those will swing around in just a bit. That humidity is up at about 60%. We'll see those clouds increase. But taking a look at temperatures across the rest of the area, mid 40s to high 40s in the southernmost counties, and we are warming up in the Brazos Valley. It's been quite the gloomy start to our week, but that will change as that high pressure starts to move in. But taking a look at the pinpoint radar, seeing those showers that we saw a little bit earlier in the day making their way out of the area, but those clouds and that cold air is still hanging around. Starting to cool down into the lower 70s and even the lower 60s in our northernmost counties. After a beautiful day across the Brazos Valley, not much will change as the night goes on. Another beautiful night in College Station. Currently across the southern part of the United States, take a look at that 53 in Oklahoma City right now. That green mixing with that yellow right there, that divide is the cold front that is about to come through into our area, and we'll notice that slight cool down behind that. And with that, during the day, we're going to see mild temperatures for your Friday, and we're going to top out in the mid 70s. But before that, we'll take a look at our tonight's lows. The low 50s to mid 50s across the area, and we'll see those temperatures start to warm up as the day goes on. Going to want that light jacket as you're starting to step out, but you'll be taking that off as the afternoon goes along. High of about 75, possibly even getting into the 80s, but it'll be just an all-around nice day, low humidity, and you want to keep those windows down as you're driving home from work. Taking a look at the highs for the rest of the day tomorrow, 78 in Navasota, 79 in Hempstead, 77 in Hearn, and 74 in Centerville and Crockett. And as we're taking a look at the water vapor imagery right now, seeing two large disturbances that are going to make their way into our area over the next. Going to switch gears a little bit and look in the tropics, seeing a little bit of center of circulation, a little disturbance near the Yucatan Peninsula. National Hurricane Center is giving it a 60% chance of developing into some sort of tropical storm in the next 48 hours. Over the next 5 days, could see a 70% chance of it turning into something. So taking a look at the rain chances over the next few days, we're going to see a peak in our rain chance at about 70% on Thursday afternoon into Friday. And as that cold front comes through, it's going to bring some cooler temperatures, a little bit of wind, and it should clear up by game day. So as we see that moisture starting to build in the area, our next big low pressure system is going to be coming through on Friday into Saturday. As we see that cold air is finally going to collide with that moisture, and we'll see some chances for rain for a change, about 60% for Friday. Taking a look at the pinpoint forecast, those clouds start to increase this afternoon and into this evening. Could see some scattered showers as early as tomorrow morning. But our big chance of rain is when that cold front's going to make its way through at about the dinner hour, and we're seeing possibly even a line of showers and thunderstorms. So we will take a look at that as that progresses. But clouds finally starting to make their way out by Saturday at the lunchtime hour, and seeing beautiful weather for the weekend. But for today, increasing clouds and increasing temperatures, highs in the mid to low 50s for most of us in the Brazos Valley. Seeing those clouds increase, but no rain just yet before that cold front comes through on Friday. So 60% is what we're going to call it on Friday, with temperatures in the mid to high 50s. And then when that cold front comes through, we'll see a little bit more dry air and that sunshine start to return, but temperatures mild for a change for us in the Brazos Valley.